This is the gear selector for a Porsche Cayenne 955, 957. The original gear knob is removed by pulling out the bottom edge of the button, like so, and the gear knob just slides straight off. Our gear knob works by having a standard full ball gear knob with this shaft which is designed for this shifter. Unscrew the gear knob from the shaft. Line up this screw with this slot here. And then take a 1.5mm Allen key and tighten up 2 screws at the top, like so. And then you screw the gear knob on, like so. This mechanism here is quite worn out and doesn't spring back down properly, so bear that in mind. A standard mechanism will spring back down. So pull the gear knob up, slide to select. There you go.